So I am sharing my chart. So now most of the things, most of the messages I am getting regarding how to do the entry or how to exit any stock. So today I am not going to do any lecture kind of things, and I need everyone to participate and ask question. Then only we can go on the live on the charts and we can understand what exact problems you are facing. So I will prefer the questions from your side, because this is not a subject which I can make a presentation or I can show the things. So I will request each one of you to ask questions, whatever concerns you are observing during the trading. I will very happy to answer those questions. So be open in the forum, and I am waiting for the questions from your side. Yeah, JP.
Sir, I want to ask only one thing.
Yeah.
Sir, how you select the stocks?
Yeah.
How you decide कि कल डिफेंस ऊपर जाएगा, कल ये जाएगा, and next day it happens?
Okay. So for that, actually, I have very simple strategies. I made a watch list of each stocks, and it's the stock from each sector. If I will ask the defense, then मैंने defense में HAL, कोचिन, GRSC, BEL, BDL, BML एक watch list बना दिया है. And sector wise watch list is there. So I am just exploring the stocks where I am getting the movements, and I have only 3 or 4 sectors which I am focusing more: defense, energy, cement, and infra, and sometime pharma. But pharma में इतना move नहीं आता है, so I am avoiding pharma and IT. IT specifically mid cap IT, OFSS, Coforge, LTIM, LTTS, Birlasoft, KPIT. So you can make a watch list of 6 to 7 sectors and just scroll and not necessary all the stocks from those sectors to be collect. Only 3 or 4 stocks which are moving fast. You can make those watch list and you can just scroll down. Or the other funda, we can put alert in any one of the stock for the early close of superhero band. So once the stock will continuously come from those screeners, then you can catch to the sector.
तो जहां तक मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ सर, आपको कहने का मतलब ये है कि अलग अलग जो आपके फेवरेट सेक्टर्स हैं, आपने उनका वॉच लिस्ट बनाया है.
Yes.
मान लीजिए एक वॉच लिस्ट में हमने 8 से 10 स्टॉक्स ले लिए, या 5 ले लिए, 6 ले लिए,
3 stocks also, 3 top stocks from
और अगर उन तीनों में मूवमेंट एक साथ स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो इट मींस सेक्टर इज मूविंग.
Yes. Okay. And at the same time, we have I have already shared the watch list of the index. So from index also you can trade. Like
मतलब हम उसको फिर इंडेक्स से कंपेयर करें कि इंडेक्स में और सेक्टर्स में अगर एक साथ मूवमेंट नजर आ रहा है, तो दैट मींस कि देयर इज समथिंग हैपनिंग इन दिस सेक्टर एंड इन दीज स्टॉक्स.
Yes. So when I have shared the defense sector, the PSE index was in uptrend, and I had shared PSE index list of stocks consistent PSE. So most of the stocks in PSE is coming from the defense only, defense and railway.
Right.
Yes, yesterday I had said railway sector, when most of the stocks from railway was moving. So it is not moving the railway sector. PSE index was in uptrend, but defense was in downtrend. So I cast the railway sector from that stock, that index. Okay, PSE is going up, but defense is coming down. So which is the other sector in the PSE? So I cast the railway, not say railway is booming.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Next.
भूपेंद्र सर, थोड़ा सेक्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन पे आप गाइड करेंगे कैसे करना है?
Okay, let me share the screen, sir. So are you getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I did, I made this index watch list. Actually, I am having the index watch list, and what normally I am doing, I am just scrolling because it is 15, 17 what index are there. So I go through each and every on the hourly chart where the movement is coming and which is crossing our superhero band. So this currently FMCG is in downtrend. So I will avoid this. You can see this mid cap, it is in downtrend. So I'm just scrolling all this index like IT. Now IT is given a gap up and taking support. So tomorrow again may IT stocks may give good bounce tomorrow. So likewise, I am just scrolling all the index on hourly chart. And this watchlist I have already said in our group also. So I'm just scrolling through that index watchlist and I'm catching the stocks. Then just go to the NSE site. You can get the list of the stocks consisting to the individual index and you can take.
Oh, okay, sir.
Next.
So this is your first criteria.
Yes, sir. This is the easiest way to identify which sector is moving.
Okay. And then let us say you have picked up a stock. तो अगर आप कोई stock बताएं जो पिछले हफ्ते आपने pick up किया था.
Yeah.
Based on this, let's go through that.
Yeah. Once we got the stocks, same things are coming into our screener also. Both the screeners also having the same thing. Let me explain. So if you see the screeners also, you will get the stocks like that only. See, railway I told. So this Texrail was there. Then RVNL is there. So as I mentioned, railway sector, then other stocks also from the railway was moving. So this IRFC was there. So most of the stocks from railway was there. See, PSC index was in uptrend, but defense was not in uptrend. So I cased the railway sector, and the railway stocks were coming into the our screener.
So जब ये screener पे आता है, तो then I remember you saying that don't pick up a stock which has already given a large percentage of move.
Yeah, but we can wait, sir. Like if we see the RVNL, okay. So RVNL we catch at 401 and it is closed at 409. So we can go to the daily chart. Even on hourly chart, it is not given exit. So we catch here at 401. I had shared in our group. And from 401, it is already touched 417 and still it is not given exit. Though I had took position for intraday, so I had booked, but it is still in. And we caught it very early.
So just to understand the process, so first sectoral watch list, from there you pick up stock, then you see if it is there in the screener, and then you go to the chart. तो अभी चार्ट में जैसे आपने ये देखा कि ये green है.
If we see, sir, in detail, see the separation of green GMMA and the red GMMA was started here. So it will give move of almost, it will go for a new high also. That is for sure, but I had made position for intraday, so I had booked. Otherwise, still it is good to enter Monday also. And more than near to the our superhero band, still it is in the range of 1% only. Our superhero band shows exit at 40.53 and it is at 409. So it is still in less than 1% of a risk.
तो आप फिर ये नहीं देखते कि whether it is on a reversal also?
No, sir, because for intraday I am not looking there. If
no, but suppose you are not doing
then
it,
definitely this is the first target which is visible here, sir. This 422 is 425 is visible. So it was consolidated for a long and it started move with good volume. We got our confirmation from this. So 425 is visible. So 401 to 425, 6% was there.
नहीं 425 मतलब कैसे visible है? It is the last high.
Earlier highest point was 425. The previous high of RVNL was 425.
Bhupinder, एक question था मेरा.
Go up to 425.
And flag indicates that both ADX, DI and volume was 30% high.
Yeah.
compared to previous. Okay.
And here it made a triangle, so definitely, and price volume action is also there. Compared
सर
to
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था सर इस पे
yeah.
सर, जैसा कि इसमें लास्ट हाई है 425, सर सपोज डेट मतलब ये आरवीएनएल का 425 पे जाता है,
हाँ।
तो हमें यहाँ पे मतलब हाफ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग करके निकलना है कि क्या करना है? क्योंकि सर उसके बाद तो हमें नया टारगेट देखना है, यदि बाई चांस को ब्रेकआउट करके ऊपर जाता है।
It depends how you take the position. See, as I took position for intraday at book.
यस सर।
So, what was your intention to take this position? Whether it was a long-term position or short-term position,
सर
on
शॉर्ट
hourly
टर्म जैसे
chart
हम
position.
जैसे सर हम
Oh,
पोजीशन या स्विंग कर रहे हैं उसमें,
see, which chart you have looked to take entry?
सर डे चार्ट।
Huh?
यस सर,
So
यस सर।
daily chart at which position you took entry?
सर मैंने सर बहुत पहले लिया था सर, ये मैंने 320 के आसपास लिया था।
So after that, it has given multiple time exit. Then why you are not following the system?
सर सर मैंने तो सर अभी सर पहले
If you are not following the system, then you are profit making.
नहीं सर,
positions
उसके बाद सर
loss making.
सर एग्जिट तो सर इसने ना मेरे को तब दिया था ना, 5 अभी ये इलेक्शन वाला टाइम था, उस टाइम पे ये बॉटम हुआ था बहुत।
इलेक्शन वाले टाइम में मैंने 45,000 रुपीज का लॉस बुक किया बिकॉज आई एम फॉलोइंग द सिस्टम. आर यू श्योर? आर यू वेर श्योर दैट दिस स्टॉक विल कम बैक? मैंने 5 तारीख को 45,000 रुपीज का लॉस बुक किया है बिकॉज आई एम फॉलोइंग द सिस्टम.
मतलब as per system अगर A में red हो जाए तो that means you exit.
We need to exit regardless of the volatility. क्यों डाउन हुआ, we need not to go and analyze those things. अगर ये स्टॉक अगर 400 पे नहीं आता और नीचे आ जाता तो आप क्या करते भरत जी? आपने अपना प्रॉफिट मेकिंग पोजीशन को लॉस मेकिंग बना दिया. आपको
सर
380 पे एग्जिट मिला तो आपने 380 पे एग्जिट क्यों नहीं किया? फॉलो द सिस्टम. आपने डे चार्ट देख के पोजीशन लिया है, फॉलो द डे चार्ट. वो
Okay,
इलेक्शन
sir.
का रिजल्ट खराब आया था इसलिए वो स्टॉक गिर गया, मैंने समझ. अगर वो स्टॉक आज 210 पे होता तो आप क्या करते? एवरेज करते.
और आप डिसाइड कैसे करते हैं कि ये डे पोजीशन लेनी चाहिए या ये स्विंग लेना चाहिए शॉर्ट टर्म?
That is why I am asking from Bharat how he has took the on the day chart and why he has not exited here. भरत जी
सर
जो
वही रीजन
सिस्टम
था
भी
कि
है ना
सडन।
उसको फॉलो कीजिए, रिगर्सली
Okay, sir.
फॉलो कीजिए.
ओके सर।
नहीं तो बहुत सारी जो प्रॉफिट मेकिंग पोजीशन से आपकी लॉस मेकिंग बन जाएगी एंड देन यू विल स्टक अप इन डूइंग एवरेज ओनली. कि 300 पे लिया था, 280 पे फिर एवरेज किया, 250 पे और एवरेज किया. आपको
Okay,
यहाँ
sir.
पे उसने एग्जिट दे दिया था, आपको यहाँ एग्जिट कर लेना था.
And averaging in stock is a crime. As per कल्पेश सर बता चुके हैं लास्ट सेशन में,
Yes.
स्टॉक्स को एवरेज नहीं करते हैं. ETFs एंड लिक्विड वीज जो हैं, हम एक बार को एवरेज करने का सोच सकते हैं, बट वी नेवर एवरेज स्टॉक्स. अगर ऐसा करते तो हम क्लाउड वेरेनियम दोनों ने खरीदा हुआ 126 रुपए से वो 14 रुपए तक गया, कितना एवरेज करते? आज 10 लाख रुपए से ज्यादा उसके अंदर फंसा होता, अभी केवल 1 लाख फंसा है. वी आर नॉट बुकिंग द लॉस कि कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा उसमें, हमने सोच लिया कि टोटल लॉस है, बट वी आर नॉट एवरेजिंग.
So all are requested to follow the system. If you are taking position on hourly chart, exit on hourly chart, whether you are making profit or loss. And this you need to develop your mindset, boss. Unless and until you will not your mindset ready to book loss, you will not able to generate big profit.
तो भूपेश भाई
Yes.
हेलो.
हाँ.
सो इस एएमए पे आप एंट्री और एग्जिट लेते हैं ना सर? एएमए जब जैसे ही ग्रीन होता है यू हैव
Yes.
टू मेक एन एंट्री.
Try to catch stock very closer
Near to
this
AMA.
line.
ओके
And try
ओके.
to book as this AMA line become red.
अच्छा, व्हेन इट बिकम्स रेड इमीडिएटली यू शुड
Exit.
ओके ओके. ठीक
Don't
है.
take any other news or anything else. If it is giving exit, see, unless and until we will not stick to our entry and exit, we will not be able to make money.
करेक्ट.
On 4th, when this exit poll was came, my portfolio was very up, but was not given exit, so I kept those positions. Next day, I booked 45,000 worth of loss in one day. But I respect my this system. So follow the systems, then only you can spare your money to play others area.
अगर भूपेंद्र इसमें अगर आप रिवर्सल जोन का इंडिकेटर लगाएंगे तो जरा देखिए।
So this stock were making new high. So
अभी तक तो मैं क्या करता था कि दिस इज एट 1 day and 1 year chart ना।
yes, one day will be fast.
So what I used to do was, so let me tell you what I was doing my backtest with.
Yes.
One, like you said, that the separation of the green band, जो है, we should try and catch it as early as possible.
Yes,
दूसरा, the stock price preferably should be below the AMA band if possible.
yes,
ठीक है। तीसरा, it should be above the POC or far from the POC and reversal zones and above the 200 SMA. हाँ।
yes, yes,
और अगर ये ग्रीन फ्लैग भी लग गया तो इसका मतलब कि देयर इज श्योरिटी। देन वी आल्सो सेड कि अगर डीआई जो है ग्रीन लाइन शुड बी गोइंग अपवर्ड्स फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन।
yes,
ठीक है। और देन नाउ दिस न्यू थिंग दैट यू हैव सेड कि इट शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ अ सेक्टर व्हिच इज मूविंग, सो लुक एट द सेक्टर इंडेक्स आल्सो,
yes.
and usually if the sector index is moving you will find that stock in the screener also.
Yeah, sector
take a-
actually I had explained because JP was curious how I identify the defense sector, and next day defense sector has given more than 15% return in single day. So that was
Okay.
his query, and I was trying to answer this. But we can make watch list of sector wise, and this is the best part actually. Then you will be able to get. And even if you are doing this around 310 or 315 near to the closure of the market, if you go through all the index on a 1 hour chart or 15-minute charts, you will easily catch which index or which sector will move tomorrow. It is started, means people started to buy after 3 p.m. and then next day morning or next day those sectors used to be boom. So around 3:15 you can take a watch on all these index, and you can easily catch which sector is giving green candle at 15-minute chart or 1 hour chart at the end. So you can easily make position on those particular sector or particular stocks, and then you can easily make profit, nice profit, single day. You can make
Okay.
position at 320 also. If I
Okay.
catch some sector, like most of the defense sector, we catch around 3:20 p.m. only. And next day we got almost 10, 12, 15% also.
भूपेश भाई,
तो
अभी
आपने
जो हेलो भूपेश भाई, तो
Yeah.
कैन यू अभी इन्होंने जो 3-4 क्राइटेरिया जो बताए थे फॉर टेकिंग अ कॉल, तो फिर से रिपीट कर सकेंगे क्या?
सर जो अभी दीपक सर ने एक्सप्लेन किया ना, वो
हाँ,
सारी चीज
हाँ।
इस चार्ट में मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ.
हाँ,
दो
हाँ।
दो चीजें मैं एक्चुअली
near to our AMA line.
दो चीजें मिस आउट भी कर चुका हूँ मैं। दो
फिर से
चीजें मिस
रिपीट
आउट
करिए।
कर चुका हूँ, which you can add, Bhupendra bhai. One is that the stock should be on a general uptrend.
Yes.
And should
Yeah,
not be
that's-
going downward.
एग्रीड सर। भूपेश भाई, वो 3-4 पॉइंट फिर से रिपीट समराइज कर सकोगे?
मैं RVNL के चार्ट में आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. जैसे
हाँ।
दीपक सर ने बोला, it stock should be either near to the POC or at the bottom. So if
Okay.
you see the entry in RVNL here by Neeraj sir also shared this chart. So this was this particular point was near to our superhero band, very closer to this. This GMMA green lines started to separate from GMMA red lines, second position. Now if we go and see this RSI, so RSI also given uptrend. It has crossed 50 and started uptrend. So this point was the perfect entry. And the similar way, this DI positive means DI green lines should cross the DI red line. So all these criteria were meeting at this point. And this
Okay.
was the best entry point. And within 1 week of time, the stocks moved from 280 to 420.
Okay.
So
You
this
also
is what
said that
Deepak
have
sir
a
is
look
trying
at,
to say, that try to catch stocks in this position.
Correct.
If you are able to generate 30%, 40% in 1 week or 1 month time, what else is required? This will take
Yes.
3 years or 4 years to get from FD.
तो
Correct.
आपने ये भी बोला था कि मंथली चार्ट भी देख लो एक बारी to get
Yeah.
a general idea.
So it is continuously in uptrend, sir. Railway is this much time it is consolidated. Again it started to gain. So again, it is given a breakout, nice breakout. Even at this point, we were having the target of 346 easily. Previous high was there of 346. So this was easily available target at 280. So from 280 to 340 was visible to us. After 346, whatever move, we can keep this 346 as a stop loss and we can move this or trail these positions.
करेक्ट भूपेश भाई
Yeah.
ये जो आप जो नीचे जो दो इंडिकेटर है ना RSI एंड GI दिस मेरे चार्ट में ये दिस इज टू थिंग इंडिकेटर्स आर मिसिंग सो मुझे आप कल या परसों टाइम मिलेगा तो मुझे आप वो कल सेटिंग कैसा करना है बता सकोगे
Okay.
आज नहीं कल परसों मैं कॉल करता हूँ आपको
Okay.
ठीक है सर
Okay.
ओके ओके
So next questions, please.
सर ये जो
भूपेन सर।
इंडिकेटर्स हैं जो RSI DX हैं ये हमने ऑलरेडी सुपर हीरो बैंड में टेबल में दिए हुए हैं, ज्यादा
Yes.
इजीली विजिबल हैं और वो हैं।
Yes.
सर टेबल के साथ थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करते क्या फिर
हाँ,
क्योंकि
टेबल
ट्रेडिंग व्यू की
Yes,
मच
फ्री
बेटर
इसमें
देन
आते नहीं, दो से ज्यादा इंडिकेटर लगाने आते नहीं ना फ्री केस
हाँ
पे।
सर, ये
मेरा-
इंडिकेटर हटा के सर टेबल्स लगा दीजिए केवल।
मेरा एक और
हाँ,
लेकिन
सर।
बड़ा डाउट है कि जब आप ये अब जैसे RVNL हम देख रहे हैं
Yes, sir.
तो एज पर रिवर्सल फिलॉसफी इट इज क्लोज टू द रिवर्सल पॉइंट
Yeah, but it was available, sir, at 401 to 425 was available. And as I say, I had seen the CNX PSC index was in uptrend, but that consists our defense sector and railway sector. So defense was in downtrend and suddenly some stocks from the railway was coming into the screener. So I put a message, focus on the railway sector and I start to share the stocks.
ये रिवर्सल की कोर फिलॉसफी क्या है कि
So
मतलब
reversal is based on the last 1 year's maximum supply and maximum accumulation only. So if we see at this POC level, the stock was consolidated for a long time. And here most of the accumulation is happened. Again, it is happened in Hutco, sir. Hutco we were struggling at 240 level many times. So this could be a potential reversal point, but if it breaks, then the reversal point will be different one. So we can play here based on our risk appetite, looking at our exit point and looking at the next target. So when I shared this RVNL at 401, I was easily seeing this target of 425. So 6% was very easily available for me. And for short-term trade, 6% is more than enough. If you are getting 6% in 2 or 3 days, it's enough.
करेक्ट
Like if we see in the chart of Hutco multiple times, it has reversed from 240 levels. Then it has given a break and now it is trading to 300 level. Now it is getting resistance at 300 level. So the reversal band in Hutco has increased. The size of, if we see in RVNL, the support line is very thin. But this reversal point is, or this blue cloud is getting
Cloud.
complete. So once this will cross 425, again this band width will be more.
और ये जो बुलिश क्रॉसओवर वाला टेबल है स्क्रीनर में उसका हाउ डू यू यूज दैट
Which one, sir? This?
या
This?
दिस वन
Yeah, this all will give entry, perfect entry as per our system, sir. If we open the chart of the other. So they are giving entry perfectly where all the green lines are getting merged. And we are getting crossover in MACD line also and other parameters as per our chart. If you see here, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour is green. Maybe daily will also become green, but even at this point, the risk was very low. And we got this stock at 182 level. So 182 to 187 we already made, and we are seeing visible target of 214 easily. So 182 to 214 is almost 15 to 17% return is expected. or if we not go up to this, 202 is more suitable point of booking.
सर आई हैव अ इनपुट ओवर हियर सर. मैंने इरिडा में सर परसों एंट्री लिया था ऑन बेसिस ऑफ टेबल. यहाँ हमारा DI नेगेटिव जो है वो डाउन हुआ, DI पॉजिटिव इंक्रीज हुआ. इट मीन्स DI नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव का क्रॉसओवर हुआ, और RSI was increased, ADX was about 20, and volume was also 1.5x. And I have taken it was a risky entry, and I like to take risky entry, but it is not for everyone. But you can consider it, कि this stock is going to be moved, and next day it is moved.
DI यहाँ पे टेबल में DI नेगेटिव डाउन है और DI पॉजिटिव वो अप है, तो समझने का इट इज अ क्रॉसओवर.
सर वो कलर कोडिंग भी इसीलिए दिया है कि DI नेगेटिव अगर गिर रहा है देन ग्रीन है, और DI पॉजिटिव अगर बढ़ रहा है देन ग्रीन है. इसका मतलब ये पॉजिटिव क्रॉसओवर है. वो कलर कोडिंग इसीलिए दिया है कि ताकि इजी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो.
अच्छा अच्छा.
And the trend was become 5 to 1 hour bullish, and day and weekly was neutral. That means it is going to be pick up the trend, and I have made entry around 174.
सीरियल नंबर क्या होते हैं JP 1 2 3 4 5?
The number of candles, sir. If it is in daily chart, so 1 number is the first candle's data, 2 number is second candle's data, 3 number is third candle's data, 4 number is fourth candle's data, and 5th is the 5th candle's data.
Okay, thanks.
बट शर्मा जी जग्या जी बोलो, रात का बोलो.
Yes, sir.
ये जो IRDE है तो स्क्रीन में आया था. सॉरी आई एम नॉट, मतलब मेरे को एवरी टाइम देखता नहीं हूँ. ये आपको अभी ये रेड टू ग्रीन आया, बरोबर है, आपने एंट्री ले लिया
जी.
बट वो कहाँ से चालू, स्क्रीन में आया था ये?
नहीं सर, स्क्रीनर में नहीं आया था. एक्चुअली क्या है कि ये ना बहुत सारे न्यूज में और बहुत सारे चैनल्स के नोटिफिकेशंस में आ रहा था 3 दिन से लगातार.
भूपेश भाई ने भी बोला,
एंड आई लुक एट द चार्ट और मुझे समझ आया, दैट्स व्हाई आई टेक एंट्री. मैंने केवल न्यूज के भरोसे नहीं लिया, बट सिलेक्शन सोर्स वाज द न्यूज.
भूपेश भाई ने भी बोला था.
यस.
मैंने भूपेंद्र भाई ने बोला तो मैंने तो ले लिया वो टाइम पे.
बस
भूपेंद्र भाई को कहाँ से खबर मिली वो मैं देख रहा था.
वो
मैंने भी लिया था, बट आई थिंक आई टाइम्ड इट रॉन्ग. मेरा इसमें लॉस हो गया था, सो आई एग्जिटेड.
नहीं, मेरा पॉजिटिव है, जब भी बोला था तभी लिया, वो पॉजिटिव है अभी.
सर देयर वन मोर इनपुट सर, कि अगर आप इस तरह की एंट्री ले रहे हैं और ये सुपर हीरो बैंड के नीचे एंट्री ले रहे हैं, देन स्टॉप लॉस इज बिलो रेड GMM. अगर स्टॉक इसके नीचे क्लोज होता है देन यू विल कंसीडर इट अ रिवर्स ट्रेंड. तो इतना रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ रिस्की एंट्री का मतलब केवल पेपर पे दिखाने के लिए रिस्की ट्रेडर नहीं है, थोड़ा सा रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा. मतलब अगर मैंने यहाँ लिया है तो दैट मींस माय स्टॉप लॉस वाज बिलो 170.
वो जो रेड लाइन के नीचे का योर स्टॉप लॉस, राइट?
अगर मैं एंट्री अपनी उसको स्ट्रेटेजी को फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके ले रहा हूँ और थोड़ा रिस्क ले रहा हूँ एक्स्ट्रा, तो उस रिस्क को मैं चार्ट पे भी देखूंगा सर. ना कि ऐसा कि सिस्टम में वो 1% ग्रीन हो गया, रेड हो गया तो भाग जाए थोड़ी.
तो सिस्टम में अभी कितना दिखा रहा है एग्जिट जो अपने इंडिकेटर में है?
नाउ इट इज अराउंड 180 एग्जिट. आई थिंक 180 82
183 is current exit. If we have to respect our super hero bet, but when this JPS took entry here at 177, at that point the lowest point of this is 170 was exit.
Red cloud.
Okay.
Bottom of the red cloud is to be your exit. If you are buying.
And second things you can consider कि अगर numbers में drastic change हो रहा है, DI नेगेटिव अचानक से बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है, DI पॉजिटिव अचानक से गिर गया है, वॉल्यूम एकदम से श्रिंक हो गया, देन यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट कि देयर इज समथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन दिस, कि कोई स्टॉक में ऑपरेशन हुआ था वो अब फेल हो गया. इस तरह का मतलब आपको थोड़ा साइकोलॉजी ऑफ मार्केट को अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा.
हाँ. और अगर DI पॉजिटिव है, ये बढ़ रहा है धीरे धीरे और स्टॉक कोई एक प्राइस में 2 रुपए 4 रुपए की 1-2% में कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स इट्स गोइंग टू बी ब्लास्ट. There is some accumulation is still going on.
Okay.
Next questions, please. Take active participation here. Out of 16, only 4 are discussing. Remaining 12 are idle.
Yeah.
So unless and until you are not taking active participation, you will not able to generate the money.
हेलो सर, ये एक OFSC से पारस का एग्जांपल शो करो ना, तो थोड़ा एक आइडिया मिलेगा
Paras.
कहाँ आपने उसको एंट्री लिए थे.
Okay. So Paras I had said here, though I have not taken entry, but I had said here when it was came into our screener. In superhero screener, it was came and I had said it 9:45 in both the group. In the
And data was also positive.
So I had shared in both the group in premium also and our non-members group also. So both groups I had shared at 945 rupees, and from 945 it is already gone up to 1300. Still on daily chart it is not given an exit. So if you bought at 945 rupees, still you can hold with a stop loss of 1310. Because it has made a new high and suddenly it has given almost 50% return. So short-term trader will exit for sure. So still, if you have really taken entry here at 945, I will suggest to hold with stop loss closing below the superhero band on daily chart. If you are in the position still.
Okay.
Now it is too extended, sir.
You can't say extended. See, it is in the range of 5% on daily chart. Or wait if it will come near to the AMA line on daily chart.
Yes, and we should also wait for the reversal कि जब अगर ये AMS पे तो बैंड पे सपोर्ट लेके रिवर्सल स्टार्ट करे और डेटा पॉजिटिव मिले, then you can re-enter. Otherwise, don't try to catch falling knife.
Yes.
It is still falling from last 3 days. कितना फॉल करेगा nobody can know.
Yes, yes.
टेबल का साइज कैसे छोटा किया जा सकता है?
तो सर नहीं किया जा सकता because
टेबल
it
का
is
साइज छोटा नहीं
already
होता है।
fixed by resolution. और उसमें डेटा इतना सारा है कि सर छोटा करके पढ़ने में नहीं आएगा।
नहीं, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे स्क्रीन पे ना इतना क्लीन नहीं आ रहा है जैसे आपके स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है। मे बी आई एम डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग। बॉटम लेफ्ट में पोजीशन डाला है मैंने भी उसका, बट देयर इज सम चार्ट सेटिंग।
माइट बी कोई ट्रेडिंग व्यू का चार्ट सेटिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो, स्क्रीन का रिजोल्यूशन में कुछ गड़बड़
हो सकता है। नो, आई विल वर्क ऑन दैट।
वो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इशू नहीं हो पा रहा, तो वी कैन चेक इट ऑन एनी डेस्क आफ्टर द सेशन।
नहीं, थैंक्स सो मच।
Still waiting from participation from others. Only
सर
6
देवयानी
members.
इंटरनेशनल, देवयानी इंटरनेशनल।
This is the daily chart. Now suggest me what you want to see in this.
सर अभी तो मैंने नहीं लिया सर, लेकिन सर अभी तो इसमें एंट्री नहीं है फिलहाल। हाँ,
It is clearly so. It is in continuous downtrend. See, from here it is continuously in downtrend.
हाँ सर, फ्रॉम
I
जनवरी।
had to cross again. It is reverse.
Yes, and I have booked my profit. I was entered over there around 6 June, and whenever it's got rejection from upper band, then I book my profit.
Yes, sir.
I haven't wait for superhero band and all these things.
This was
Because
clear to our screeners actually.
Alkyl amine अगर आप देखेंगे, because it came into our reversal thing about more than a week ago actually, and it has reversed. So अभी now, you know, looking at this chart, what do you make out of this?
Sir, again, as I shared the chart of Orient Electric, so I mentioned very clearly that this could be a stage 2 candidate, but then you need to go on weekly chart only, sir. Even if we see this on weekly chart, this may suggest stage 2 candidate. On weekly chart, it is continuously giving good volumes and going uptrend. So it may check your patience. But for sure now chemical sector is moving, and whenever it is coming near to the bottom of this, the sudden big volume buying is coming. So definitely if we see this candle or this candle, someone is buying or accumulating on the weekly chart. And I am showing this the weekly chart of this.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I always prefer to buy on a smaller candle.
Yes.
अगर इतना बड़ा कैंडल होता है तो उसके साथ मैंने देखा है कि DI वगैरह मूव नहीं करते हैं.
Yes.
DI always move with accumulation and all these things. RSI का फॉल्ट ये है कि RSI प्राइस के साथ मूव करता है. That's why we have given ADX and DI together.
Like if you see this Orient Electric, I had shared around 229 and I had made a position. And if you see, this is peaceful. This will take time. I am seeing first target of on daily chart.
शर्मा जी, ये फिर से दोबारा रिपीट करोगे? बड़े
सर,
चार्ट, बड़े कैंडल में नहीं लेते, छोटे, वो समझा नहीं, फिर से.
सर देवयानी इंटरनेशनल का चार्ट सर एक बार खोल दीजिए. ये
size of candle.
यस, दिस साइज ऑफ कैंडल सर, जब इसने मूव किया अराउंड आई थिंक ये 24 में है, क्या है ये? नहीं सर, ये इधर वाला जहां से मूव स्टार्ट हुआ है. यस, जो इतना बड़ा कैंडल होता है, अगर आप उस पर देखेंगे तो केवल प्राइस के साथ RSI एंड वॉल्यूम मूव करता है. लेकिन अगर प्राइस वॉल्यूम केवल मूव कर रहा है और DI एंड ADX इज नॉट मूविंग, दैट मींस इट ब्रेकआउट्स कैन बी फेल्ड सम टाइम. तो
अच्छा.
और उसमें रिस्क भी ज्यादा हो जाता है. अगर आप देखें तो जितने बड़े कैंडल पे आप ब्रेकआउट कैंडल पे ब्रेक ट्रेड लेंगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट गेट्स रिवर्स.
अच्छा. तो ये किसी प्रोमोटर का चाल हो सकता है, ये समझे हम लोग.
या किसी न्यूज पे इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स ने ट्रेड भी किया हो सकता है कि किसी न्यूज पे इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स ने 15 मिनट चार्ट पे अपना टारगेट बुक कर लिया एंड सडनली इट केम डाउन.
Mas, we are getting some noise from your side.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, any query?
तो मतलब इट इज मोर एंड मोर पॉइंटिंग आउट कि ट्रेड तभी लेना है जब ये क्रॉसओवर हो रहा है.
यस, परफेक्ट ट्रेड.
And then, like you said, look for accumulation. It's a better signal.
Yes.
Look for
Sector
DI
also.
to be good and ADX instead of just looking at volume and the price candle.
Yes.
इस केस में देखिए ना जरा, देवयानी इंटरनेशनल में आपका ADX वन डे में नेगेटिव था. अच्छा, वो अभी का है. सॉरी
That is
ये आपने
the-
जब लिया था वो पुराना है. करेक्ट.
Here someone was accumulating, sir.
ओके, गॉट इट.
And then it is given a bounce. Again, it is reversed now. Again, it will accumulated by someone for some time. Then again, it will start to move.
सर यदि ये यहाँ पे बैंड ग्रीन होता है तो हम इसमें एंट्री ले सकते हैं.
The first preference means that if you want to play safe, then try to buy when this green cloud should be above the red cloud. This
Red
is
cloud.
the first condition. If you want to play safe, if you want to take risky trade, then based on the candles or reversal strategy teach by Kalpesh sir, you can take position on those. But before taking on the based on candles, you must have the detailed knowledge of candles, for which I have already shared a book. I am sure no one has read that book, for sure.
नहीं,
How
नहीं,
many of you read that book?
प्रिंट आउट निकाल के एक 10 पेज पढ़ा है भूपेंद्र.
पूरा नहीं पढ़ा, बाकी यू आर
पूरा-
राइट, पूरा नहीं
पूरा
पढ़ा है सर
पढ़ने
अभी भी.
का पेशेंस नहीं हो रहा है, बट पढ़ना चाहिए एक्चुअली. याद नहीं रहता मगर कौन सा कैंडल क्या है.
So that will come only after doing the practice actually. See,
Yes.
if you want to play reversal, na, then if you see most of the time Kalpesh sir is playing only on the type of the candle.
करेक्ट.
So the reversal, if you really want to become expert in the reversal, then you must be aware with the type of the candles. If you see here, most of the candles were doji. All candles were doji. If I remove this, see, all candles were doji.
एंड सर वन मोर थिंग सर, कि ये पेशेंस केवल और केवल तब आएगा जब आपको ट्रेड नहीं लेना है और तब भी आप चार्ट देखने का हैबिट डालेंगे. ये पेशेंस आपको कभी अपने अंदर जब नहीं मिलेगा जब आप ट्रेड लेने के लिए रेडी हैं और आपके पास पैसे हैं, तब आप कोई ना कोई गलती करेंगे. जब आपको ट्रेड नहीं लेना है तब आप चार्ट्स देखेंगे, तब आप उसके अंदर सारी कमियां ढूंढेंगे और वो आपको याद रहेंगी। मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडर क्या करते हैं कि जब उनको कोई पोजीशन नहीं लेना है उस समय वो सिस्टम को बिल्कुल छोड़ देते हैं, क्या स्क्रीनर में आया, क्या चार्ट ने देखा, क्या कैंडल बना, दे डोंट वांट टू नो एनीथिंग। जब थोड़ा सा ट्रेड कहीं से बुक हुआ, प्रॉफिट या लॉस बुक हुआ, पैसा अकाउंट में आया, देन दे आर अग्रेसिव टू टेक ट्रेड। तब वो क्या करते हैं कि पहले तो स्टडी किया नहीं, फिर वो गलत एंट्री लेते हैं क्योंकि उनको जल्दी होती है, ट्रेड लेना है। तो ये पेशेंस डेवलप, ये पेशेंस केवल तभी डेवलप हो सकता है जब आपको ट्रेड नहीं लेना है, उसके बावजूद भी आप रेगुलरली चार्ट देख रहे हैं। तब आप उसको सोचेंगे, समझेंगे, इरडा को 10 दिन तक ट्रैक करेंगे कि व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन विद इरडा, जब उसके बाद आप ट्रेड लेंगे, एंड दैट ट्रेड विल बी परफेक्ट।
Practice makes man perfect.
Yes.
Short.
भूपेंद्र जी, वो शुगर बीज बोलते हैं,
bottom
हमने लिया था, तो वो और ये MCX पे जो फ्यूचर जेपी सर ने परसों शेयर किया, उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है?
किसमें मैडम?
सिल्वर बीज या सिल्वर ETF जो ट्रेड
सिल्वर
किया
बीज
था।
क्या होता है मैम? सिल्वर बीज आर गेटिंग ट्रेडेड ड्यूरिंग द इंडियन मार्केट आवर्स. So whatever, see if you bought silver bees right now, means during market hours, and if silver price goes up to, for example, you bought silver bees at 89 when silver was 89,000, and suddenly silver price goes up to 91,000 in the night, but tomorrow morning it again come back to 89,000 rupees. So the your return will be zero, but is this JPS traded silver at 89,000 rupees, and he could be able to book at 91,000 in the night. So silver bees price was getting traded during the market hours at the price of silver, whereas silver we can trade up to night 11 p.m. So from morning 9 up to 11 p.m. we can take trade. Actually, myself and JP is trading two things frequently. One is silver and second is natural gas. Natural gas is candidate of stage 2, to be very frank. I can show the chart of that.
नहीं, वो हमारा नॉर्मल इससे ही करते हैं क्या, डीमैट से या ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट से?
Just you need to active that MCX trading only.
तो वो एक्टिवेट करना पड़ेगा।
Yes. Now if you see the natural gas.
But इसका lot size and all will be high.
That requires them approximately 4 to 5 lakhs of margin. If you see this now, natural gas is in stage 2.
ये monthly.
You can on monthly chart you can see. So now we are trading two things frequently. One is natural gas, and second is silver.
नहीं, सिल्वर बीज मैंने भी लिया था, मगर वो कुछ ज्यादा बढ़ नहीं रहा है. On the contrary, it went down.
The output is decided. Then bees you can trade or you can accumulate it as said by Kalpesh sir. Whenever there is a fall in the price of silver, accumulate silver bees, so your average price will come down.
Okay. नहीं, वो तो कुछ 91 रुपीस ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है ना अभी?
Yes.
Silver commodity future is very risky.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I know that, but still मुझे लगा कि silver is a sure shot candidate for uptrend for a long time.
Yes.
ऐसा.
Then bees and ETF is a good instruments to accumulate.
So if you bought here, see from 89,000 to 91,000, we have traded almost 6-7 times in this silver, and we have generated super profit. But again, it is same at 89,000 again. So if you bought these here, your B price will remain same. Again now.
ये daily पे है.
Yeah, this is on daily chart. Again, it is again come to 90. We know we again will make entry near 88,500 or 88,000. Once we get reversal, again we will book on hourly chart. So we normally prefer to buy on hourly chart according to our indicators. Now it is given this clear cut exit. this green cloud has started to come down. So now entry will be risky, but we will try to catch near to this point where it is made bottom last time, or we can wait for reversal.
Reversal. Okay.
And there is one more observation in the silver. Actually, you will find a sudden move in silver around 6 to 8 p.m.
Oh,
भूपेंद्र जी, आपका आवाज थोड़ा कमती लग रहा है मेरे को. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज विथ मी और विथ एवरीबॉडी.
The voice is clear or
क्लियर है, बट थोड़ा वॉल्यूम छोटा दिखता है.
नहीं ठीक है. हाँ
नहीं, भूपेंद्र जी ने मॉडरेट किया है अपना वॉइस अभी.
नहीं, वो थोड़ा कफ ज्यादा हो गया इसलिए आवाज कम आ रहा है. सो सिल्वर में ये ऑब्जर्वेशन है हमारा में कि फ्रॉम 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. you normally get sudden move in silver. It will be of hardly 400-500 rupees, but if you consider the lot size of 30, that can give you 15,000 to 17,000 rupees within 2 hours. So you can monitor that silver chart during 6 to 8 p.m. and once you get confidence, you will easily trade the silvers also.
एक्चुअली क्या है भूपेंद्र जी, ये जो है ना अपना इंटरनेशनल मार्केट है, लाइक यूरोप का मार्केट चालू हो गया या यूएस का चालू हो गया.
Yes.
वो टाइम पे स्टार्टिंग जैसा अपना इंडिया में इफ यू सी फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स 30 मिनट्स
Yes.
बहुत वॉलेटाइल रहता है ऑलवेज.
Yes.
तो यूएस आल्सो स्टार्ट अराउंड 6:30 अपना इवनिंग का.
Yes.
तो और ये कमोडिटी इज वेरी वेरी रिस्की, वेरी रिस्की.
Yeah.
अगर आप फिनोटेक्स केबल देखेंगे तो what do you say about that?
Are you able to see my cursor here? 24 June at 8 p.m.
Yes.
Silver price was 88,000, and see in 1 hour it is given a return of almost 500 points. So this is the 6 p.m. Again we will go for 6 p.m. This is again 6 p.m. Again we see the candle of 6 p.m. and it is given. So every day at 6 p.m. this silver is doing something. So that is the time when actually we catch 6 to 8, where we get the move of 300 or 500 rupees in silver within 2 hours, and 500 into 30 is a lot size. So 15,000 can be made easily, but not necessary every day it is possible.
6 o'clock, I think US market starts.
US market is started at 8 p.m. but I don't know why suddenly at 6 to 8 there is a boom is happening in silver. That reason is not known to me, but from 6 to 8 the sudden move is happening in the silver.
But once again, sir, it is very, 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 very risky.
Yeah.
I tell you, अपना शर्मा जी,
also at 6.
I have done in this natural gas, तो रात को नींद नहीं आता है.
ये प्रैक्टिस बनाना पड़ता है सर.
हाँ, because it is, I think this is, you can do it trading up to 11:30, yeah, not 11, I think so.
Yeah, 11:30.
11:30.
If you see in the hourly chart, most of the bigger green candle is at 6 p.m. See, this is the candle of 1,600 rupees move in 1 hour. This is also at 6 p.m. So what is happening at 6 p.m. that is not known to me, honestly. I am not going to teach any story, or I am not going to share any story. But from 6 to 8, something is happening in silver, and easily we can make money within 2 hours. And
Sir, there is one more
normally
thing.
prefer to exit.
सिल्वर या कोई भी कमोडिटी है, उनका सबका अपना एक साइकिल है. आपको साइकिल समझना पड़ेगा. मतलब मैंने क्रूड के साइकिल को 1 साल बिना ट्रेड किए समझा है. 1 year रेगुलर. आई एवरीडे वॉच क्रूड चार्ट, कहाँ से कहाँ तक मूव होता है, कहाँ टॉप है, कहाँ बॉटम है. एंड 1 year अप्रोक्सीमेट आई वॉच दिस विदाउट एनी ट्रेडिंग, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग.
और इसमें कभी भी मार्केट रेट पे मतलब ऑर्डर नहीं डालने का रहता है.
Yes.
अगेन यू शुड पुट अ लिमिट ऑर्डर इफ एनीबॉडी वांट टू प्ले.
Near to our
मैं क्रूड में सर केवल महीने में 1 या 2 ट्रेड करता हूँ, बट इट इज ऑलवेज परफेक्ट, क्योंकि मैं लेवल्स को वॉच करता हूँ कि ये लेवल तक यहाँ तक आएगा, कई बार जीटीटी भी लगाता हूँ उसमें कि इस लेवल के बाद से मूव करेगा, कितने पॉइंट्स गिरने के बाद कितना उठता है। ये बहुत सारा मतलब बहुत डीप स्टडी चाहिए कमोडिटी वॉच करने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा वॉलेटाइल है और लॉट साइज बड़ा होने की वजह से लॉसेज और प्रॉफिट बहुत ज्यादा ह्यूज होता है।
FCL का चार्ट देखेंगे भूपेंद्र फ्रॉम रिवर्सल।
कम बैक टू इक्विटी सर।
FCL
Finolex
Finolex केबल
फिनोटेक्स केमिकल
शर्मा जी, मैं एग्जिट करता हूँ। आई हैव somebody there, so I'm exiting. प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी।
नो प्रॉब्लम।
फिनोटेक्स केमिकल
Finolex chemicals, sorry, not cables.
So it is given in gap of opening, sir,
इसको
but not able to sustain. The best entry was here at this point 1 day ago, and it may also came in our screeners also. Now this type of candle is suggesting exit.
सर इसमें रिवर्सल इंडिकेटर को ऑन कीजिए, माइट भी उसने पीओसी या कहीं से रिएक्शन पाया होगा।
पीओसी पे ही है,
उसी पे
POC पे ही accumulation हुआ है,
रेजिस्टेंस है। अच्छा,
but resistance is not in. But supply has come during the day. But on hourly chart, it is still not exited. It may touch up to our hourly chart because gap up opening was there, so the distance or the price value is far away from this. So this is going to touch again to the hourly line and it may give bounce. So where was your entry, sir?
नहीं, मैं तो इसको ट्रैक ही कर रहा था because it came in the reversal thing. So I saw that since the AMA turned green, we have a candle as well as flag.
Yeah.
And it is above the POC and crossover is just taken place. So I thought it
Yeah,
was
it
meeting
can go.
most of the conditions.
Well, all the chemicals stuff is moving now.
एक मिनट सर, ये दीपक सर, अगर आप इसमें देखें तो जो मैं बात किया था ना कि हम बिफोर मूव एंट्री ले सकते हैं एक्यूमुलेशन में। आप एक्यूमुलेशन के टाइम के नंबर्स चेक कीजिए सर, इसमें डे चार्ट पे ऑल नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव, वॉज पॉजिटिव।
Yeah.
इस केस में हम रिस्क की एंट्री थोड़ा सा पहले ले सकते हैं। वॉल्यूम, DI, ADX, RSI ऑल वॉज पॉजिटिव, बट प्राइस वॉज नॉट मूविंग।
See this. But all these things
And
were turning
on the third day, you can check the DI difference. Third day it was 17 and second day it becomes 24.
क्या आपका लास्ट डे का जो रेड कैंडल वो कौन सी डेट का है?
ये करंट डेट है सर, 1
हाँ,
1
It's of 21st June, sir.
21st जून ना? मेरा वेरी सरप्राइजिंग 21st जून मेरा कैंडल पूरा ग्रीन है, क्लोजिंग 393 पे है। सरप्राइजिंग।
So there could be setting issue, sir. We are not getting like this top.
नहीं, मेरे उसमें रेड है ही नहीं। 21st का मेरा पूरा ग्रीन दिख रहा है, पता नहीं।
Okay. I understood, sir.
नहीं मगर टेबल में तो सब ग्रीन कैसा दिख रहा है?
No, ma'am, there is a issue of setting. Let me see. Actually, the symbols color based on previous candle. If you have done this, sir, then my candle also become green.
Oh yeah.
Color based on previous, and we are taking color based on the opening and closing. But if you are just selecting this color based on previous close, then most of the candle will become green.
नहीं, मेरा तो पूरा लंबा कैंडल दिख रहा है, मेरे में विक ही नहीं दिख रहा है। एनीवे ठीक है, नो इश्यूज। मैं
सर फिर कैंडल गलत सेलेक्ट हुआ हुआ, हाइकनेसी सेलेक्ट हुआ हुआ, इसका मतलब
टेबल चेक करना पड़ेगा, इंडिकेटेड।
एक सेकंड।
नहीं कैंडल के लिए मैम ऊपर से कैंडल।
नो, you're right, you're absolutely right. हाइकनेसी है,
हाइकनेसी सेलेक्ट हुआ हुआ, क्योंकि हाइकनेसी एवरेज होता है फर्स्ट कैंडल का।
you're right, absolutely.
Sometimes it's remove noise, but most of the time it gives confusion.
No, you're right.
Candle का language
My
बहुत
very
meaningful.
first meeting with Bhupendra, he had said remove the haïkynesi. You remember Bhupendra? 3-4 महीने पहले जब हमने कॉल किया था एक बार, जब उस समय हम वो यूज कर रहे थे हम गप्पी वाला जेएमए में।
सर लास्ट फ्राइडे एक केपीआर मील है, वो इंट्राडे स्विंग पोजिशनल तीनों में आया हुआ है।
Yes, sir.
मैंने पोजिशनल के हिसाब से एंट्री लिया है, बट वो तीनों में स्क्रीनर में आया हुआ है।
KPR mill, na, sir. It will, sir, again touch our superhero band again, and it will move peacefully, sir. Because you can see the expansion of this pink cloud. So this is nothing but the expansion of long-term GMMA. So this stock will come again and again. If you want to do the averaging, you can do averaging near to MA. Tomorrow you can put a average price near to MA. See, this continuously touching AMA line every day.
Yes, हाँ.
So unless and until it is not close below the AMA line or superhero band, you can ride it peacefully, sir.
Okay.
Just set a alert
With
like this.
entry for positional trade only.
Yes.
हाँ हाँ, पोजिशनली लिया हुआ है।
Yes, not for short term and swing trades.
Yes. So peacefully, just you can set a alert, sir, like this. Set on daily chart, indicator, superhero advance, and close superhero band, and just select close. So once it is going to be close, it will give you alert, and you can exit position next day morning. If it will close on the daily chart below this, next day you can exit.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay.
Bhupendra ji, DRC system, we had taken position, but I should have exited or?
No, ma'am, actually I took very small position, but I forget that money for long term.
No, I have also taken small, but small means that 1000 shares hai, to.
So because it is not on daily chart, it is not closing this AMA line.
Ah,
Definitely it's going to case this. And if you see the expansion in this pink cloud, it is going to be expand. And this was a very big consolidation actually. And if you see the monthly chart, no, it's a perfect 45-degree chart. So if in single month if stock has given more than 50% return, definitely short-term traders will book. But it is continuously moving up.
ये long term bet है या कैसे करें then? We have to.
It's only 200 CR company, so at least we can watch for 2-3 quarters result. Actually, results are coming good.
Okay.
So at least we can wait for next result, and if results are good, then we can average up again.
ठीक है. Then Fedfina was there.
Yeah. Which one, ma'am?
FEDFINA, Fedfina.
Yeah, Fedfina is now banking sector and finance is started to move.
Finance has started to move, but ये तो थोड़ा गड़बड़ी.
Yes.
दोजी है क्या?
Now it is going to start. This is also the federal bank. It will move with the federal bank only. So mid-cap sector will move. It will move. The fundamentals are okay for this company also. And now finance will be in boom because most of the capex cycles and everything will come into the market. The finance sector is going to be boom.
Okay. This is on daily you are thinking. Daily में तो ये
Delhi is
flat
yes.
ही लग रहा है.
Yes. Even only accumulation is happening here.
Yeah.
This on weekly we will not get, but on daily we may get the data. So it is just accumulating and moving along with this.
Okay. Then
Sir,
Swan का क्या करें sir?
Swan hold man. Swan is in
Hold,
profit, no? You are in profit, I think.
Yeah, I'm in profit.
Yeah, and it is going to be booming. Now it is
Okay.
continuously in uptrend. It will make new high, not to worry.
Okay. It's moving in a band, I think. Then.
Yeah. Now
Yeah,
it is just
slightly.
it is separated. Now it will give more. Actually, this all happen after result, a little poor result. It is get compromised. People got exited. Again, the accumulation is there because long-term story is there.
Right. Okay.
Like if you see JSW Energy also.
Yeah, that has moved a lot now.
Yesterday, actually, all the JSW sector has moved. So it is also moving peacefully. Some big sale is coming, but it is getting absorbed. And again, it is making money. So we bought around here, somewhere here around 630. It is fall, again it is giving good money.
But now it is extended, right?
Yeah, now
अभी
it is
तो
extended.
yeah.
सर एक स्टॉक है आशीष कचौड़िया ने खरीदा एमट्रॉनिक्स इलेक्ट्रिकल
M
एएम
and so mix.
AIM है, हाँ, यस, फर्स्ट वाला
Mtron.
वो SMA में है शायद।
नहीं मेरे को तो केवल वो जानना है कि इसका चार्ट देखिए सर, मंथ डेली पे तो कुछ है ही नहीं।
तो ये अभी रिसेंट का लॉन्च है, जीरो दिखा रहा है यहाँ पे।
सेकंड होगा।
नहीं एमट्रॉनिक्स करके था, एक मिनट में देख।
एमट्रॉनिक्स
नहीं ये नहीं है सर,
ये है ना कंटिन्यूअस अपर सर्किट चल रहा है।
हाँ यही सर, हाँ यही।
And it may be of SME stock.
Sir, how to identify these type of stock?
This could be case through only your like Ashish Kacholia is expert. The company which are manufacturing plastic components for in the sector of this electronics good. So they are doing their own research and analysis. So you can take some good renowned investor also. If you see this Vijay Kedia is expert to catch the penny stocks. He catch Patel Engineering at 6 rupees. Now that Patel Engineering is trading at almost 65 rupees. So you can take such big investors also. But you will not get detail which stocks they are buying at which time. But then you need to, you can go to the screener and you can select some trader, some big investors name. And whenever they are doing any positions, that you can get alert in your email also. So this could be SME stock actually. There is one more SME stocks where this Vijay Kedia is there. This one is Robo, which I asked you to buy and you have in your portfolio. Robo पे है ना?
Robo?
One stock is there which Vijay Kedia and others are holding. तुम्हारे पास SME stock कौन सा है?
मेरे पास सर
affordable. Yeah. So
affordable.
Yeah. So here you will find big chunk of Vijay Kedia. So though this is SME stock, but you need to take them. And very volatile. You
lot size भी बड़ा रहेगा।
Yes.
500 या ऐसा कुछ।
When I was looking for this 40 tech. Since
ये पूरा
Yeah.
सर इसमें फंस जाएंगे तो निकलने को नहीं होगा।
निकल नहीं पाएंगे। Actually, I was looking one video of Dr. Prashant. Surname is not. He is actually by profession he is doctor, but
Prashant Misra.
Yes, Prashant Misra. So that person has invested in this stock at the time of IPO at 160 rupees, and he's got good amount of shares. And even after this launching of this stock, he's holding a very big chunk of the stock in his portfolio with the average of 200 rupees. And he's normally investing 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs rupees in one stock. So if you consider 200 rupees at the rate of 200 rupees, and if he has invested 20 lakhs rupees, his 20 lakhs become 2 crores. The stock is
Risk appetite is different.
Yeah. And his strategy is also different. If you follow him on YouTube, na, his video, he is actually doing the thorough analysis of the stocks, and he is not believe in screener or anything else. He is preferring to catch the news from the various source, what company is planning to do in future. What has been done by company in past is known to everyone. He is trying to identify what company is going to do in future and how that particular action will keep this company ahead of competitor. And he has explained very nicely. If I will find any video, I will share how he is doing the analysis. He is not doing the fundamental analysis of any stock.
उनका वीडियो 2 है, एक विवेक बजाज के साथ है,
Yes.
वेर ही एक्सप्लेन्स इस प्रोसेस, 1-2 साल पहले का था, और एक अभी रिसेंटली दूसरा किसी के साथ है.
Yes.
और ऐसे ही दूसरे गुणवंत वैद्य है,
नाम क्या
गुजरात
था
से ही है.
भूपेंद्र जी? विवेक है क्या? नहीं, सॉरी,
प्रशांत
मिश्रा.
I'll share the video. डॉक्टर प्रशांत मिश्रा ट्विटर पे भी है.
Okay, okay.
And he is having the different kind of strategy to select a stock for long term. He is not scanning the things, what was the ROC, what is the ROE, what was the sales growth of the company. He is focusing what company is doing, which takes this company ahead of its competitor. Otherwise, he is telling very sure that everyone is know how to use the screener and everyone can do the fundamental analysis of the stock. So why everyone is not generating the money? So
Right.
Tejas sir is sharing the video. If he will not getting, I will find and I will share. Actually, he is having the total different concept of finding the multi-baggers. Any more doubt or query?
I am having SME, RMC, switchgear, Bombay Metric.
Ma'am, SME, RMC is even good.
अभी ये अच्छा हुआ है, but एकदम गिर गया. I had kept it for a long time. I am
Actually, I
holding
had
it.
seen some news regarding RMC and they are planning to triple or 5x their sales and everything. The recent
हाँ, इसीलिए now it is
I
going.
suppose actually this RMC was coming in screeners also when we did the screen for
अभी
the
upper circuit पे है sir, वो everyday हो रहा है.
yeah.
But it has fallen a lot actually.
Yeah. But the management has given some good positive comments for the future. That is why
Okay.
this stock actually it is in my watchlist also. And since last 5-6 days it is giving continuous upper circuit.
मरीन इलेक्ट्रिकल भी अच्छा है सर.
Marine, don't remember me. I used to trade that stock at 22 rupees.
Last year I have identified that, made a good money. Adbet infrastructure. Sir, it's all about research and deep study.